Good morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Markets are higher as the USDA came out with lower weekly crop ratings than the market had anticipated. The corn was down 3 percentage points at 58% good to excellent. One crop scout now continues to estimate his corn yield of 174. The average trade guess for Friday's report is 175.9. Again, a big spread between crop conditions that are mostly favorable in the north and eastern part of the Midwest, and less than trend and less than normal in the southwest Midwest. The bean down 1% at 59%, good to excellent. This one crop scout is looking at a 50.5 yield. The average trade guess is 51.1. Kind of the big surprise was spring wheat. They dropped it down 6 percentage points, and it is now rated 64% good to excellent, with 9% of the crop harvested. Again, our weather forecast suggests that this week we'll see some dry and warm conditions across parts of Nebraska, southern Iowa, west central Illinois, Kansas, and Missouri. It continues to be dry in Oklahoma and Texas. Now, the weather maps changed overnight. Most agree that this ridge in the second week will move further to the west than yesterday's runs. This will moderate temperatures across the Midwest and bring some scattered showers in the Midwest, but nothing near normal, especially for the Southwest. As far as weather is concerned, in Europe, some chances of showers, not again breaking the drought conditions in the western part of Europe, but there is some showers around, and Russia should see this Shukovay later this week with warm, dry, and windy conditions. No relief for the Argentina wheat crop, although they had some scattered showers in the last day or so in central Argentina. We also note that the trade is estimating that the carryout for old crop corn 1512 versus 1510, and new crop 1402 versus 1470. That could offer some support to the deferred corn futures prices. The average guess for beans 226 versus USDA's 215, and 230 for next year, also unchanged from the USDA numbers. And again, the corn and soybean market could become tight if these yields actually do decline. Wheat carryout 650 versus 639. We'll be kind of watching a little bit as far as the outside markets with, again, CPI tomorrow here in the United States. Fed talking about a 75 basis point increase in the interest rates in their September meeting. Right now, stocks are mixed and kind of waffling from down to up. Dollars lower, crude's lower. You've got gold, silver, copper, cocoa, and cotton all higher, while coffee and sugar is lower. So again, we're up against initial resistance in the September beans at $14.97, or basically $15. Next resistance in the September corn is that old 632 level that we haven't been able to push through. And the next resistance in September wheat is all the way up at 845, which is the next moving average.